Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jack Left and today, I'm bringing you kind of a new video. So I got back, I didn't get back. I've been here, my flatmates have been away. As you can tell by the title of the video, some stuff went down. So to give you a bit of backstory, Cameron left last Wednesday and the rest of us were in the flat. I happened to be out that day and basically the three of them, Finn, Ben and Ross, had this great idea to kind of prank Cameron. So I wasn't involved, Cameron wasn't here, and Cameron's room basically got filled with polystyrene. I've got the video and I'm going to just kind of play it here.
Oh, flip's sake. What the heck? What the heck?
You can thank Finn. I wasn't.
Was it Finn?
It was Finn.
Are you serious? It's flipping everywhere.
Aren't they horrible?
It's been gone now.
Finn's gone.
Oh, when did you
Yeah, so naturally I kind of thought like 3 against 1, that's not really fair. So I kind of like spoke to Cameron a wee bit. Do you think it's fair to retaliate?
I think it's fair to retaliate.
Why do you feel it's fair?
It's uncalled for.
You've got one thing to say to Finn.
It's the start of a war. There's no going back. Finn thinks he's the big man. He does. That's it.
That's it.
But he's not. That's it. He thinks he's the big man, but after this weekend, he's not.
Yeah, and then after speaking to Cameron, I kind of decided, well, okay, well, if there's 3 versus 1, then I wasn't really involved in Cameron's. I was like, maybe I need a wee bit of I need a slice of the pie. So with kind of scheming with Cam, we kind of came up with a plan of revenge. And this kind of led from one thing to another, and yeah, well, yeah, I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you rather than, yeah, okay, I'm gonna. This is strip with photos of me and you. I just like add them on.
Here. Because like here's just empty.
Did you even take this chair apart?
Yeah. We can't take this apart.
So yeah, we've pretty much trashed this room, that's it, yeah?
And we're done. Done.
Done? Yeah, okay.
Finish,
yeah, so I'll just, yeah.
I think we're done there. Quite a mess.
Yeah.
Right back, Finn.
That's it. Going back. It's just, yeah. Sorry for the minute.
I'm sorry, Finn.
His bed. His desk. His wardrobe. Finn, mate, I'm sorry, but there's casualties in war. But we've gone too far. I'm sorry. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. I just want to just thank you guys for subscribing to the channel and supporting us and tuning in every time I upload. I know it's not very regularly, but I'm trying to stick to that whole one video a week. But yeah, so just like, subscribe, anything you feel like you do. Until next time guys, I shall see you later. Have a great day. And yeah, keep doing you. Peace.
Oh my word. Flip me. You took my bed apart.
Nice.
This, I'm gonna be like getting this stuff out of my clothes for the next year.
Snake.
He started something he can't finish.
No!
I mean, technically I started it, but
This wasn't like.
these are just gonna get worse and worse.
This isn't just one up though. This is like.
I think the sawdust would have been one up, but he just took apart my bed.